way is the inside of the eye, which is the outside of the eye. So where's the outside of the eye? Is that the top or the bottom of the scroll?
The bottom.
The bottom. Good. So this is the sclera. It's that dense fibrous tissue. You can see all those collagen fibers there. Here's the choroid. It looks black or brown. It's got all the pigmentation and the blood supply. And here is the retina. And so the light's going to be coming in this way. Okay, stimulates those rods and cones, and then the remaining light is going to be absorbed by these pigmented layers. Okay, so main layer of the eye is retina here, main layer choroid, and main layer sclera. Okay, so this one then shows you the rows of cells. Okay, so it's best to keep in mind that the rods and cones, oh, it's off here, the labels are off there, oh, that's okay. The rods and cones are the innermost. Okay, so you do have to kind of remember the order. The rods and cones are the innermost layer of nuclei. The bipolar are going to be the middle layer of nuclei. And then the ganglion layer of nuclei, it can be pretty sparse. I've seen it look quite a bit more sparse than that, but that one's going to be the inside. And yeah, it is true, the light comes in through this way, it passes past these other cells. Those cells aren't stimulated by light. Bipolar cells is not going to do anything. But when it hits the rods and cones, that's when they're stimulated, and then they pass that information this way. So yeah, it does kind of go this way and then backwards, someone noted. Okay, so nuclei of bipolar cells, nuclei of ganglion cells, and way out here on the wall, nuclei of rods and cones. Okay, so this is a close-up of that same. Okay, so when I could ask you to identify, okay, what are these cells here? And you just say rods and cones. Photoreceptor cells would also be acceptable, but rods and cones is more specific. What are these cells here?
The bipolar cells.
Bipolar cells, yeah, if you put nuclei of bipolar cells, that's fine. What are these cells?
Ganglion cells.
Yeah. Okay, this one is cool because it shows these are all of the cells that are involved, and that's all part of the retina. But then we also have this very tiny sub-layer of the retina, that's that pigmented layer. You may not have been able to see that in the slide because it's just kind of runs in next to the choroid. So just cool that you can see that here. And then here's the choroid, really dark pigmentation there.
Retina